Hey, what's up everybody? I'm doing an air filter replacement with these Ford Bullet style air filters. These are on a bunch of different trucks, Expeditions. So basically it has a unique air box. What you want to do is lift this spring up right here. Sometimes it could be a little tight, but you want to lift it so it folds out a little bit, and then you should be able to pull these two pieces apart. You can kind of push this backwards because it has like this bendable air dam part right there, and you could kind of face this upward, and then just be careful not to bend that too much. You don't want to rip it. Over time they get brittle and rip. And then you could just pull your air filter out over here. Just use two hands to push the top part away and get this guy out. Alright, so here's our old one, and here's our new one. This one is from Ford. I recommend the actual dealer air filter on these ones if you can. Sometimes the aftermarket ones cause issues with the MAF sensor because they're like the bullet on top is not like sharp enough, I guess. So we get this in. Now once that's in, you're gonna need to put this little circle part on this outer part into that hole in the air filter. Pretty self-explanatory. And then once you got that on, you want to make sure that this clamp is around each edge of each sides, and then when you fold it down, it'll clamp this together. So put this on here. Now there's a little notch right here, and it goes into the little groove on the other one. You could use that as like a guide. That has to go in there for these to become close enough to where you could clamp them down. So get that in as best as possible, and then make sure your clamp is on the edge of each side all the way around. Sometimes on the bottom it'll be off, and then it won't clamp right. So I kind of hold these together, kind of keep pressure on them, push them together, and then I'll just fold this down like this, and then yeah, this clamp should go all the way around and not be off of either one. It should just hold them both together tight. And that's about it, guys. That's how you do the bullet style air filters on these Fords. And you may need to loosen up, like say you have to loosen up this screw to get this, to have more room. If you need to move stuff around or take stuff off to get more leverage and movement out of these, that's fine. You could do that. But anyways, hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any additional information is appreciated in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next video.